Okay, we're out here, Paradise Village Gateway, underground leak behind PetSmart. This right here is a not that long ago clean out install, and now we got water coming out from underneath right here and right here. So we're gonna jackhammer this up and see what we see. Okay, this is awesome. We were digging out our hole, almost got to it, and then randomly this entire wall just filled up dropped a ton of slurry that was inside the wall. Once we dug it out enough, the weight of it mixed with the water and the opening that we created just flooded out our entire hole that we spent all that time digging out with slurry. So now we get to re-dig this out and get back to trying to find our leak. Good times. here in the straight pipe. We're gonna cut this. Our pipe coming into the building is under the water, under the pump right there. And we're just gonna reroute the line. So we'll eliminate this old 90. The leak in there is on a 90. And there's another 90 where the pipe goes under the building, comes up, gets to this leaking 90, and then to this. So we'll be eliminating 1, 2, 3 90s under the ground and put in 3 new ones, and not put ourselves in a dangerous spot to try to have to crawl in there when it keeps collapsing on us. There's no way we're doing that. So cool, we're gonna make the repair and we should be good. Inch and a half copper, 3 Pro Press 90s. Beautiful. Let me know if you want to get that pump out of the way. Get it cold. Okay. Go ahead and grab that meter key, fire it up real quick. Alright, pressurizing. And we'll be able to hear it coming through. A little more. Yeah, we can go more. We don't want to press. Well, I don't think there's much water drained out of that system. It should pressurize relatively quick, even with a little bit. Okay. What? All right, fixed.
It's like we've done this before.
Once or twice. All right, cleanup time.
No birds to light the way back home. A light that warms no matter where they go. They're off to find the hero of the day. But what if they should fall by someone's wicked way? Till the window burns, time so slowly turns. Someone there is dying. Peoples of the flames, do you feel your name? Can't you hear your babies crying?
Okay, we're out finishing up Paradise Village Gateway. Got everything fixed. Pipe is repaired, no more leaks. Backfilled, cleaned up. Concrete patch. Everything's cleaned up and looks good. We had a heck of a time with it. But once again, victorious, undefeated. Diamondback Plumbing.
By wheels of despair.